Jamf Pro Review. Should you choose it for my name in 2025? Managing Apple devices in 2025 requires a strong mobile device management solution, and Jamf Pro is one of the most talked about options. But should you choose it? Jamf Pro offers device deployment, security enforcement, app management, and remote troubleshooting. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just for schools or enterprises, but it's suitable for any organization that needs centralized control over Macs, iPads, and iPhones. You won't believe what happens next. Jamf Pro integrates with identity providers and security tools, letting admins enforce compliance policies and push updates seamlessly across hundreds of devices. The platform also supports automation. Tasks like onboarding new devices, installing software, and updating configurations can all be scheduled, reducing its workload. Reporting and analytics help monitor device health and user compliance in real time. Pricing is tiered by device count. While it's not the cheapest MIM solution, the depth of features often justifies the investment for organizations that rely heavily on Apple products. So, is Jamf Pro worth it in 2025? For companies, schools, or agencies managing multiple Apple devices, absolutely. For very small teams or individual users, lighter MIM solutions may suffice. The surprising truth is that proper MIM doesn't just secure devices, it boosts productivity, reduces headaches, and ensures your team can safely and efficiently use Apple technology.